Whether it's a church, a synagogue, a mosque, a temple, all of us have the right to be together and to be together safely. This is all part of our society. It takes courage for what the EPA has done. The EPA is the first governmental authority to recognize the transmission of the SARS-CoV-2 in the air. They have put together a standard that the rest of the world is looking at in terms of providing an airborne antimicrobial.
This is a game changer. I've talked to other people who have looked at this, and they all agree that this is a big change. This is something that could be deployed and really slow the spread of not only this virus, but other viruses that are respiratory driven.
The states of Georgia and Tennessee have led with allowing their people to choose whether they would like this technology. We are at St. Simon's Presbyterian Church on St. Simon's Island in Georgia.
We've become more comfortable coming inside, and now with the newest guidelines where masks are no longer required for people who are fully vaccinated, while we are greatly encouraged by that, and it's one of the great joys now to look out on a Sunday or any day of the week for that matter and see people's faces, we wanted to explore ways that we could just have an added layer of safety.
This sanctuary is the perfect location to run Grignard Pure because there is an HVAC system that is located in a mechanical room that essentially has two supply ducts that run down the ceiling, and there are venting across the entire ceiling. Then that air is being pushed in, and the return air that's bringing the air out are in two return vents which are behind me. And so we spent the last day, we installed into the HVAC, and we spread sensors all across the room to determine the best location for those sensors. Those sensors are aiming for 0.5 milligrams per meter cubed and control the output of the machine throughout the day to maintain that even level.
What we're doing right now at the church is absolutely incredible. It is people that came together from the arts, from the science and so forth, in order to prevent reoccurrence from this pandemic or another pandemic from affecting our daily lives.
I think we're going to be looking at viruses for a long time.
What our goal is and what my hope is that the SARS-CoV-2 virus will be controlled, if not eliminated, because we will have many layers of protection. We will have vaccinations, and we will have the Grignard Pure in the air for those areas that at one point in time were seen as the most dangerous places to be, will now be seen as the safest places to be.